this video we are going to be talking a little about our application at Google Play. So we have a one-click install with the link that you find below the video. Also, if you want to run this on desktop, you can also with a one-click install. They're also for Chrome Store. So very easy. So in this video I will talk a little about settings. But before I get to that, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Okay, now let's get to it. Maybe I take a couple of trades also live. Let's see. We will see how long time I'll use to explain everything. So as you see here, you have the menu here now. In the top you have hide. There you can show and remove the bot. You have a registration button, you have demo and reel. The good thing is that you can change in between demo reel automatically with the bot now. So if you want to trade on demo, you just push demo. If you want to trade on a real account, you just push reel. And if for some reason you see the bot is not getting the correct pair for you, let's say you did hide the bot, you choose a new pair and take a trade, and for some reason he don't take the correct trade. He normally do, but if you don't do, just push reload that you see in the top there also, and then you're good. And of course, if you are logged out, you have a login button there. Just push this button, log in, and push to show the bot again, and you're here. So that's the settings in the top. So the next step is the time. This is how long time you see from 5 and all up to 5 seconds to 5 minutes. This is how long the trade should take. So if you choose, for example, 5 seconds, then when the bot is opening a trade, the trade is open just for 5 seconds. So obviously you have different strategies that work best on different timelines. For example, on 5 seconds, my favorites are, for example, Stochastic, if I could say that name correctly. Some days there's some names you don't manage to say properly, so I'm sorry for that. Triple Confirm and Trend Rider. This is the three I like the most on a very small timeline. Okay. Other than that, you have 15, and 15 I will still keep in the same category like 5. When you start to come up to 30, there are pretty many different type of strategies. Here I will say I prefer Alpha One Secret, that is my own. The number 23 is good. I like 18, is one of my strategies also. For some reason, Triple Confirm do work. That is my favorites basically, when coming from 30 all the up to 5 minutes. You can also, everything is about which type of trader you are and which things you choose later. So, but we'll get to that. And also below here, below every strategy is market here, what every strategy do. Okay. So you can see, for example, Stochastic says that is the cross there, right? Below 25. If you choose, for example, Trend Rider, then you see it's different. So everyone says below actually what they do also. Now, amount. Here is something that you need to be careful about. Depending, of course. If you are trading with a small account, you deposit just $10. You obviously just go with $1. Don't trade with more. You can go up to 2, but just depending. If you turn on martingale, you should not start with even $1 is much on a $10 account with martingale. Okay, so be careful. So something you need to think about. Martingale, I think if $50 plus, then martingale start to be a better option. But I am a martingale person. I love it. So you need to decide yourself. Here is also, you can test on demo account to figure out what works for you. And if you are happy with the risk that you see that, okay, demo is a little risky, but I grow the account faster, up to you, completely up to you. Everything is up to you. So here come with a different type of martingale strategies. Okay. So you have soft, classic. Classic basically is the normal. for every time he double, or actually if you choose 2.2, he double a little extra. I like to use 2.2 because as you get 92% if you choose the best pairs payout, you need a 2.2 to cover it if you go a few steps. Also here, where you see 5, there you choose how many times you want to martingale. So if he go crazy and go 5 times and you still have not managed to get your money back, then he will stop automatically. You can choose here whatever number you want. If you want to martingale just 1 time, this is things you can calculate, figure out what works. Sometimes just to double up 1 time can maybe be better than not. So these things you need to test out. Okay, so then you have soft, you have anti, and you have 2-step. 2-step is basically that you can choose that for every 2-step he martingale. You can choose for every 3-step he martingale. Yeah, it's a cool thing also. Now here is another very important one. When you martingale, let's say you do a sell trade and you lose. If you do same direction, after let's say you have a closing time of 1 minute, he will take and you lose, he will take the trade the same way. If you take opposite, then you are securing yourself in another way. Let's say it's a very trading market and you do a sell trade and you lose, and you go over it over and over again, you will lose. But if you have an opposite, then that means that when you're doing a sell trade and you lose, next time he will do a buy trade. If you lose, then he will do a sell trade. So he do the opposite. Sometimes I figure out that is safer because the bot is supposed to win because he's doing everything correct after the indicators. And if he lose, it might be a reason for it. So opposite in many ways are better. I prefer that in many ways, but it depends. Sometimes I do same direction. It's sometimes a little feeling. And then we have let's turn off this one. Then we have something called let's see if I can find her, auto compounding. Here you are taking trades based on percent of your account. So here you can choose how much percent. So every time you're trading, if you're trading with very good strategy and you are winning a lot, here you have the opportunity to be building your account. But this one only works if you have martingale turn off. Okay, so then you have max lose streak. Here you can choose how many times that you want to lose in a row. If you lose more than this, he stop automatically. Cooldown, that means when you have lost a trade, he take a small break just for your security. So if you lose one trade, whatever thing you have in the top, he will take a break before he even look for a new trade. Okay, then you have a profit target. Let's say I want to make $100 a day. Then you just write in here $100. That is what you're going to. Then he will stop automatically when the bot has made you $100. He will stop there. Or the another way, I don't want to see my account go below. Let's say you have a $100 account. I don't want to see my account go below $20. Right away, the account go below $20, even use martingale, whatever, he will stop if you come down to that level. Okay, so this is cool options that you have with this bot. And of course here I did right below here now, works on demo and real account, because it works on demo and real. When you are signing up, for example, with the Google Play, this bot will automatically let you now test up the bot so you can see that everything is working. He will let you take 5 trades. After 5 trades, he will tell you that you will need to deposit $10 more. After you have done your first deposit with this bot, you can use it for life on demo and real. So even if you later on lose your money on real or withdraw your money, whatever, you can always use it for life on demo account just for testing out. No problem. And of course here you have push start. I'll show you. I'll just take a trend. We can take one trade here now. Let's say we take this and we push start. Now you see he's looking for a trade. Anytime you can just now go away, he will just be trading till you push the stop button. So I will now let him take one random trade here now. So now we just need to wait to see. Now you see he's collecting data. That is normal. He needs to find out everything he can about this pair and how he's going to trade. So now he's looking for a trade. Did not choose the best strategy for this the timeline we're doing now, but this is just for a test to see how it works. So now he's just looking. And by the way, I can show you here now before we take a trader now. There, now see, now he's stopping. Then I don't want this. I want to take there, and I will take a worst strategy. Let's take a RSI Classic, for example. Just so we get a fast trade, I will just do a $1 trade there. And 5 seconds, and we push start. Now, once again, he's looking. Now you see he's collecting data. You see it's less data because it's a worst strategy. Now we just need to wait, and he will take a trade pretty darn fast now. There, he did take a trade, and I'll push stop right over. You see, you see, he lost it. But you see, he did take the trade, and all did go good. I will now just take one martingale just so you can see if we can get a win with it. Now we turn on. Like I said, this is a terrible strategy, but still, just so you can see. Just so you can see, let's do a win with this one, however it goes. Now we got a buy. And let's see, we lost. He's doing a martingale. Now he do a $2, 2.2, you see. And there he won, do you see? So there you have it. So this is how the bot works. Amazing, right? So, but you should, I added this strategy because for some reason people wanted this strategy. It's terrible strategy, but it trades fast. So if you like it, use it. But if you want to trade very fast, RSI Classic is the one for you. But for smaller, I prefer this one. That's the one I will choose for this two first. So there you have it. It's a bot that works amazingly. You can have it completely for free with link below the video. So people wanted this video. I hope you did like. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.